Here's some cheese shredding action with my KitchenAid mixer. Does more than mix, it shreds. Here we go, look at this. Homemade shredded cheese. Al brought home a bunch of cheese remnants from work, and I'm shredding them to make some nice stuff with it. See what you can do with odds and ends if you got the right equipment? Here's some more. Here we go. Look. Nice batch of mixed cheese to make some delicious things with. Okay, everyone. So I had some beef and bean mixture in the refrigerator, and I cooked up a little rice, mixed it all together as a filling, and I took some of the cheese, put everything on a flour tortilla, wrapped it up into some burritos, and I'm going to freeze the rest of the cheese in 1-quart Ziploc bags so they will be ready for use later and they'll be fresh. So there's a lot of things you can do with the KitchenAid mixer if you have the attachments. I got this mixer way back in 1989 when I was about to move into my first apartment on my own after college, and it's never needed to get fixed. It's always been reliable. So kudos to KitchenAid for making such a versatile appliance. More cooking fun later. Thanks for watching.